Well, guys, I made it. I made it to Slab City. Oh my gosh. I don't think my car likes me though. It's rattling a lot. I don't know, when I get back to Newport or Florida, I'm going to have my front end looked at because it seems kind of wonky to me. Oh, wow. Someone made little rock piles. I don't know what they're for. Oh, that one's a rest in peace sign. Whoops. What? This place is busy. Who knew? I don't know. Maybe this is people that live out here. I don't know. Oh, Salvation Mountain. Woohoo! It's littler than I thought. It was, yeah, way littler. Wow, this looks a lot like Bombay Beach. Maybe everyone's gone. Maybe it's too late in the season to be out here. I don't know. I like that trailer. That's cool. Slab City Hostel. Ooh. Roaming dogs, please slow down. Slab City Library and Trading Post, 1.2 miles, East Jesus. Okay. Bucket tree. I don't know. The road is really bad, guys, so, it's not just me. It's the road. There's a little famous guard post. It looks like a lot of people are gone, because you see the, well, here, I'll show you the next time I see one. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. Stop, stop, stop. Come on, clear up. Yeah, there you go. Welcome. Well, anyway, it looks like you take either tires or rocks or twigs or whatever, and you put them around in a border like that over there, and hey, that's home, baby. But it looks like a lot of people left their markings and left for the winter, maybe, or the summer, because it's already, let's see, 94 degrees right now. And yeah, it's hot. It's not like Florida 94. If it was Florida 94, I'd be dying. This is a little easier to breathe, but you know. Oh gosh, look at all the shoes. The shoe tree. Wow. See, you know, that's cool. You can't get away with that in the city, you know? Just like the cool houses in Bombay Beach. Those were some of the coolest places.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Low Road.
Yeah, I know. I didn't want you on. Yeah. Exit, exit, exit. Jeez. Oh, I guess that's a church. That there.
Take the next right onto Low Road.
Shut up! You gotta love all the colors. That's just so cool. Let's see, library, oasis. I don't know if I want to go that way or not. I don't see an oasis there. Need shade. Skate park. Ooh. See, now what town could you get away with doing this for your mobile home? Ooh, nice quilt. I like it. I like it a lot. Slab City. Oh, look at our little car. Oh, look at this. Isn't that cute? They painted the trees over here. That's interesting.